Chapter 1. Know your computer. Overview of this chapter. What a computer is. Features of a computer. Types of computers. Uses of computers at different places. A computer versus human being. What a computer is. Computer is an electronic machine that accepts instructions, processes them and gives out results. The term computer comes from the word compute, that means one which calculates. Features of a computer. The computer has become an important part of our lives. Therefore, it is also important that you should know about the different features of a computer. Speed. The computer is a smart machine. It gives very fast results to us. It is capable of performing a number of calculations within seconds. Reliable and accurate. A computer is also reliable and accurate. It never makes a mistake by itself. If we enter our information correctly in the computer, it will give us an error-free answer. Storage capacity. The computer is able to store large amount of data which we can get back quickly and efficiently for future use. Work continuously. The computer never gets tired. It can work 24 hours without taking rest. It can do the same work over and over again and never gets bored. Versatility. The computer is a versatile machine. It is capable of performing different types of work at different places. Do you know? The mechanical calculator was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. Types of computers. Computers are of different types. They come in different shapes and sizes. Let us learn about some of them. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is big in size. It is a personal computer that fits on a desk or table. It cannot be carried easily from one place to another. It is also known as a personal computer (PC). Laptop computer. A laptop is small in size. It is a lightweight portable computer that can be easily carried from one place to another. It is designed in such a way that it fits conveniently on your lap. It is sometimes also known as a notebook computer. Palm top. A palm top is also called handheld computer. It is even smaller than a laptop. We can hold this type of computer in our palm and can also keep it in our pocket. Tablet. A tablet computer is bigger than a smartphone. It is also called a tablet PC. It is a kind of mobile computer that has a touch screen. Do you know? A tablet is a combination of phone and a computer. Smartphone. A smartphone works like the smallest computer in our hands. It fits in our pocket and can be carried from one place to another. It allows us to make phone calls, send messages, share images and videos, read the latest news and search information on the internet. It usually has a touch screen. We can enter data and information by touching icons on its screen. Do you know? Desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet and smartphone are also called personal computers (PCs), as they are used by only one person at a time. Uses of computers at different places. Computers are used all over the world. People use computers for different types of work at different places. Let us study about the uses of computers at various places. Schools. In schools, computers are used for teaching, learning, doing school works. Homes. At home, computers are used for doing homework and playing games, listening to music and watching movies. Hospitals. In hospitals, computers are used for keeping records of patients, keeping lists of medicines, printing reports. Offices. In offices, computers are used for typing and printing official documents, keeping records of the employees, sending and receiving emails, etc. Hotels. In hotels, computers are used for keeping records of the guests, hotel bookings and cancellations, making bills for the guests when they leave the hotel. Banks. In banks, computers are used for keeping records of the account holders. ATM services. Do you know? ATM is an automated teller machine used for withdrawing money from your bank account at any time. Shops. In shops, computers are used for preparing bills, keeping details of items, watching CCTV footage, keeping stocks. Do you know? Full form of CCTV is closed circuit television. CCTV footage means the part of a recorded video. Railway stations and airports. At railway stations/airports, computers are used for booking or cancelling tickets, keeping records of passengers, giving information about the location and timing of a train or an airplane. Designing. In designing, computers are used for designing clothes, buildings, and cars, designing books, magazines, and newspapers, making cartoons and animations. Space research and defense. In space research and defense, computers are used for getting the weather information in advance, sending rockets or satellites into space, helping the military in making weapons. A computer versus human being. Let us learn more about how computer and human beings differ from each other. Computer. Human being. A computer can work very fast. Human beings cannot work as fast as a computer. It does not make mistakes. They can make mistakes. A computer never gets tired and works for a long time. Human beings get tired after long hours of work. It has a very good memory and can remember a lot of things at the same time. Human beings can forget things stored in their mind. A computer has no feelings. For example, if you hit the computer, it does not react. Human beings have feelings and can get hurt very easily. For example, if you hit yourself, you feel pain. A computer needs electricity to work. A human being does not need electricity to work. A computer has no IQ and cannot make decisions on its own. Human beings have the capability to think and make decisions on their own. Check your memory. A computer is an electronic machine. There are different types of computers: desktop computer, laptop, etc. People use computers for different types of work at different places.